tomorrow I should make an effort to take one earlier in the day. So tomorrow I should make an effort to take a nap earlier in the day. Did you get any work done today?
No, I really didn't. Maybe I'll sit tonight while we're watching TV.
When is dinner?
Probably in about 25 minutes.